Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. I am reorganizing my kitchen utensil drawer today. This is long overdue, but I'm excited to tackle this project. Received some of my orders from Amazon today. I purchased the 8-piece white and gold kitchen stools and gadgets. This set is beautiful, you guys. The color is gorgeous. It's just smaller than what I expected. The measuring cups sets are also from Amazon. The salad spoons are from Winners. Already washed and it's dry. I'm going to reorganize the drawer. My drawer organizer probably needs to be changed, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and use what I have. This is it, you guys. I am so happy I did this today. I've been putting it aside for a while, but it's finally done. I'm happy with it. For these strainers, I did not have space in this drawer, but I'll be organizing my other drawer, so you'll be able to see it in that video. I also got this cooking utensil set from Amazon. If you love gold like me, this is must have in your kitchen. It's gorgeous. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. It would be much appreciated. I love you all. Stay blessed.